Hello everyone, welcome back to Dollars Spoken, your go-to place to master spoken English with confidence and ease. So tell me honestly, do you understand English perfectly but still struggle to speak it? You watch English movies, understand YouTube videos, even read books, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank? Don't worry, you are not alone, and this episode is just for you. Let's dive into the real reasons why this happens, and more importantly, how you can finally start speaking English fluently. Why you understand but can't speak. Alright, so here's the truth. Understanding a language and speaking it are two different skills. It's like watching someone cook versus actually cooking the dish yourself. Just because you understand the recipe doesn't mean you can make it. Most learners only practice listening and reading, but speaking hardly. Also, fear plays a big role. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged. So, what do? You stay silent. You understand everything but can't say anything. But guess what? That can change, and I'll tell you how. What can you do to start speaking? Tip number one, start with thinking in English. Don't wait for someone to talk to you. Start with yourself. Describe your day in English in your mind. For example, I'm brushing my teeth. Now I'm getting ready. This builds your fluency step by step. Tip number two, speak out loud daily. Yes, speak. Even if you are alone, pick a topic like your favorite movie, your last weekend, and talk for 2 minutes. Record your voice, listen, improve. Tip number three, shadow native speakers. Watch a short video, repeat what the speaker says exactly, copy their tone, their pauses. This is called shadowing, and it's amazing for you. It's amazing for fluency. Tip number four, make English your environment. Change your phone language to English. Follow English creators. Talk to friends in English chats. Surround yourself with English like it's your second home. Tip number five, focus on speaking, not on grammar. Fluency comes first, grammar will improve over time. Don't wait to be perfect before you speak. Start speaking to become perfect. Look, I get it. Speaking English can feel scary, but remember, you already understand English. You have done the hard part. Now it's time to take the next step. Speak, practice, make mistakes, learn. Because fluency doesn't come from thinking, it comes from speaking. And WC Spoken is here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who needs that push. Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing. You have got this. Thank you so much for watching.